A land surveyor in Greenpark plays a crucial role in the development and construction industry. They are responsible for conducting accurate measurements and mapping of land boundaries, which is essential for various purposes such as property ownership, construction projects, and land development. Greenpark, located in Delhi, is a prime area that witnesses significant real estate activities. Therefore, the need for a reliable and experienced land surveyor in Greenpark is of utmost importance to ensure the proper utilization of land resources. A land surveyor in Greenpark utilizes advanced equipment and techniques to accurately measure and map the land. They use tools such as GPS, Global Positioning System, and Total Station to establish precise boundary lines and markers. The data collected by the land surveyor is then used by architects, engineers, and builders for designing and executing construction projects. Additionally, land surveyors also provide valuable information regarding the topography, soil conditions, and existing structures on the land, which is crucial for efficient planning and development. SCON Design is a renowned architectural firm based in Delhi with expertise in various aspects of architectural design. Their team of highly skilled architects and designers offer innovative solutions for residential, commercial, and institutional projects. SCON Design has a strong reputation for delivering projects that blend functionality, aesthetics, and sustainability. With their vast experience in the field, they have earned the trust of clients in Delhi and beyond. The collaboration between a land surveyor in Greenpark and SCON Design can prove to be highly beneficial for clients looking to undertake construction projects in Delhi. The accurate land survey conducted by the surveyor provides the necessary groundwork for architects at SCON Design to create designs that are tailored to the specific site conditions. By incorporating the survey data into their designs, SCON Design can optimize the use of available space, ensure compliance with building regulations, and maximize the potential of the land. Furthermore, the partnership between a land surveyor in Greenpark and SCON Design ensures seamless coordination between the initial surveying phase and the subsequent design and construction phases. This eliminates any potential discrepancies or conflicts that may arise due to inaccurate measurements or misinterpretation of site conditions. The expertise of both professionals ensures a smooth workflow from start to finish, resulting in high-quality construction projects that meet the client's requirements and expectations. This partnership ensures optimal use of available space, compliance with building regulations, and ultimately leads to successful construction projects. A land surveyor plays a crucial role in the development and planning of any area, and Greenpark in Delhi is no exception. Greenpark is a well-established residential area in South Delhi known for its lush greenery and serene surroundings. With the increasing demand for real estate in this area, the need for land surveyors has become even more significant. A land surveyor in Greenpark ensures that all land-related issues are addressed and resolved efficiently, making them an indispensable part of the development process. Greenpark, being a prime residential area, requires careful planning and design to make the most of its natural beauty. This is where SCON Design, a renowned architectural firm in Delhi, comes into play. SCON Design specializes in creating innovative and sustainable designs that blend seamlessly with the surroundings. Their expertise lies in designing residential and commercial